What makes up a badly designed website interface? In general, it is when it fails to meet user needs. What better way to showcase this than with real-world examples? Let's look up on our Hall of Shame. It is a star of the term for us Italians, and we've all gone through the same enrollment process, having interacted with, maybe even cried over it. Introducing the all-new, but not necessarily improved, Archer's Hub. Now let's go on and briefly criticize the UI errors, inefficiencies, and inconsistencies of our school website. As a learning software developer slash designer and a first-hand user slash victim. First off, our student dashboard. From top to bottom, first we see is a website header. A bell notification icon, bit redundant how there's still a zero icon indicating for no new notifications. Instead of removing the number altogether, click it and nothing happens. A calendar icon, wonder if it contains all the important university dates to take note of. Wow, a whole bunch of nothing. Profile dropdown, dashboard. Is that the same as the student dashboard? It is, but with a different icon and a different name. Inconsistent! Inconsistent font use, self-explanatory. My payments, I'm assuming I don't have anything overdue since it's not highlighted in my dashboard. Nope, just not highlighted since the upcoming payments tab is open when you first open the website. Enough about the present disappointments. I want to see a bit of my past. My past units to see what subjects I've finished and what subjects finished me. Oh, I've spent 2 years here, but I think even just 3 total units throughout my stay is a bit too small for how many units should be credited. Switch over to the My Payments tab. Oh man, why can't I pay? Because you didn't select the fees you're paying for by clicking the small add checkbox. Why not make the whole container selectable so that a user doesn't scramble, clicking everything and being confused on why I can't pay? Hashtag personal experience. Well, but the term stumbles and 3,000 different error messages in exasperated sighs from the student body. At least we know what unites each and every DLSU college student. Disappointment at this website.